Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering a Google Play billing error, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and ensure you have an active internet connection. Step 2. Tap the menu icon or your profile picture, then go to Settings within the Google Play Store app. Step 3. Navigate to Settings on your Android device. Select Apps, then find Google Play Store in the list. Step 4. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache to remove temporary data that might be causing billing errors. Step 5. Return to Device Settings, select Accounts or Users and Accounts, and tap your Google account. Step 6. Remove your Google account by tapping the three-dot menu and selecting Remove Account, then add it back. Step 7. Open Google Play Store, access payment methods from your profile menu, and verify your payment information is current and valid. Step 8. Try your purchase again. If the error persists, restart your device completely and attempt the transaction once more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.